Well, the facts speak for itself. I've already mentioned a few things, that led to this that are fundamental. But you know that the president has done very well, and we have empirical indices to speak to this. Our forex liabilities have been cleared to the tune of about $10 billion. And this is incontrovertible. Foreign reserves from $3.99 billion has risen to about $42 billion. He has also attracted foreign direct investments, commitments to the tune of about $50 billion. All this would have a positive multiplier effect even on my constituents. I can go on and on and on, but I'm just looking at the fiscals so that you can verify. I think we should support him to do better. You know, in Nigeria, all successive governments will look like they are very bad. Until he leaves and another president comes, then you will appreciate him. There are too many things happening. Our production level of oil was about 1 million barrels per day. Today is about 1.68 billion barrels, going by the last time I checked. So I think we are doing better. The issue of security is not an isolated case right now in Nigeria. There is insecurity all over the world. Apart from that, this is not start now. It's been a problem, a perennial issue. So it doesn't have to do with just this administration. But I think work is being done towards that direction. Taking into consideration the number of terrorists and bandits that have been arrested in recent times. And I think we can do better moving forward.